Hi guys, I'm from Nagpur and recently I have done the hair transplant from New Root Hair Clinic. Trust me, it is a very easy procedure and very not that harmful. And the New Root Hair Clinic Nagpur having a very friendly staff here. They made me easy this transplant, as well as having a very cost-friendly environment here. So this is my second PRP, and you can see my current result of my hair. It is very good, and I'm happy with my results. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can come to the Nagpur. It is a Nagpur New Root Hair Clinic placed in the Dhantoli. It is a very good hair transplant clinic, as well as a budget friendly. So you can come here in if you are living in a Nagpur. New Root Clinic is a best hair transplant clinic in Nagpur. You can compare it with via YouTube also. Thank you, New Roots, for making my life easy.